from Dallas, and Keith Lee just came to Dallas and exposed some foolishness that was going on out here. But he also shined a light on some really deserving businesses and people that work really, really hard, and they deserve every bit of the Keith Lee effect. So let's talk about it. So for me, being a chef and a food influencer out here, I know for a fact that Dallas is known for the most beautiful restaurants with a beautiful ambiance and, the vibes and all of that. And the food can be very, very mid. Same thing with the popular restaurants. So when he came up with the names of the places that he went to, I was like, who in the heck sent him there? For the first place, Thunderbird Pies. I've never heard of them. Hopefully they'll take the criticism and run with it and do better. Terry Black's Barbecue, that would not be my first choice to send anyone to. That was definitely a popularity contest. Not the best barbecue out here. So, okay, in the popular group, there's Hutchins. Hutchins, yes, that is my place. I love Hutchins. Been going there for years. Everything Keith Lee said was spot on, and that's why he rated it the way he did. So now let's get into the mom and pop shops, the ones that may be struggling, needed a little help. Halal Fusion. Congratulations to you. I think it's amazing. If I'm ever in the area, I'm definitely going to try those tacos. I heard the lines were around the corner. Good for you. Next, we have Absolutely Edible Cakes. That's Chef Nikki J. I love her. I've met her before, talked to her. She's such a sweet lady, has such a sweet spirit, works so hard. Honey, that sweet potato thing is thinking. Okay, I've had it before. It is delicious. Props to her, and she deserves every bit of what's going on with her right now. Every bit of it. Love her. Oh Lord, here's where it goes downhill. Sweetly Seasoned LLC. I don't even have nothing to do with her business, and I have secondhand embarrassment. This is a prime example of what happens when your heart is not in the right place. We all know what the Keith Lee effect does. When you have an opportunity to be generous, be generous. I have never seen someone block their blessings so fast. I have never in my life seen that happen. Look, she was just loud and wrong. I don't know what else to say. There's really nothing else to put on top of that. We know what the situation was. So they're trying to redeem themselves. Her son put up another video saying that they were going to have like a free community event, free haircuts, free food for the first 20 people, which to me, he gave you $850. Use that to feed the people for the entire day. If you had just done what Keith Lee asked you to do, you wouldn't have enough help in order to feed the amount of people that would be lined up at your truck. That's all I'm saying. Don't allow your greed, your lack, all the things to take over and make you not make sound decisions. Let's move on from her. The next one's the Taste Project. That is such an amazing concept in Fort Worth. If I was closer, I'd go. Fort Worth is far. But even though I can't go out there, you know what? I may just go on their website and just see if they take donations or something. I just think that's amazing. I think it's amazing. It really touches my heart. And I love when people are givers. Then we have Brunchaholics. Brunchaholics, everybody loves Brunchaholics around here. They are known for that soul food burrito. I still have not tasted it. I think they started out at the Dallas Farmers Market, and I used to go out there all the time. But every time I go, they weren't there, or they were closed, or something was going on. So I never got a chance to experience, but I have heard person after person after person say how amazing that restaurant is. And I am going to make my way over there. I've got to taste the soul food burrito. So I'm super excited for them. I know their business is going to be lit, and I'm excited for them. So that's it. I'm gonna stop being embarrassed for old girl, and I'm gonna just be happy for everybody else. And I'm just excited for you. Thank you, Keith Lee, for coming to Dallas, stopping by. We love you. We love the Keith Lee effect. Keep doing what you're doing. God bless.